Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're heading to Publix. It is February the 28th, and these deals run to March the 5th. As always, these deals are all digital deals, so you're just using your phone to save money for you and your family. Check out the printable breakdown in the description box. No need to write any of these deals down. Just go to the description box, click on printable breakdown, and it will take you to the printable breakdown that you will need for this Publix video. All right, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing we have is the Palmolive dish soap. It is usually $4.99. That's a crazy price on that. Would never pay that much money for it. But it's buy one, get one free. So each bottle is $2.50. There is a 75-cent coupon on the Publix app. With the 75-cent coupon, it's going to make each bottle of Palmolive $1.75. The 4-pack for the Scotty's tissues are $6.99. Again, a really high price on these. They are buy one, get one free. So each box is $3.50. There is a $1 IBOTTA rebate on the IBOTTA app. After that $1 rebate, it's going to make all 4 boxes $2.50. Now, with this Ibotta rebate, you could do this up to 5 times if this is something you want to stock up on. Also, if you are not using Ibotta, please look for the referral code in the description box. You get $10 when you sign up using my referral code. Next up is these Foster Farms corn dogs. Now, I've never seen these like this in the bag. So these are $4.99. They're buy one, get one free. So they'll be $2.50. Now, if you go to the Foster Farms website, there is a coupon for $1 off. This is a printable coupon. I did not use that printable coupon, but there is one out there. Now, if you use that printable coupon, it's going to make these corn dogs $1.50 after the sale and the coupon. The Raid Light Trap. Some people are getting this for free, but not for me. So these are usually $19.99. They are buy one, get one free. So they'll be $10 at the register. On Ibotta, I have a $5 Ibotta rebate. With that $5 Ibotta rebate, it's going to make these light traps just $5. But check your Ibotta. You may have a $10 Ibotta rebate. If you do, that means that the Raid light trap is going to be free for you. We have a little bit of a money maker. So the Airwick scented warmers, this is the 1 count. They are $1.79. There is a $2 coupon on the Publix app. So with that $2 coupon, it's going to make the Airwick warmer a money maker of 21 cents. In addition to that, we also have a moneymaker on the Airwick refill. So you can get a free warmer and a free 2-pack of the scented oils here. So this is usually $7.49. It's buy one, get one free. So it'll be $3.75. There is a $4 coupon on the Publix app. That $4 coupon is going to make this a moneymaker of 25 cents. So you're getting 2 items that can be used together, and both of those are moneymakers. So good deal on that. This is the best deal I've seen in a long time at any stores on the Finish Ultimate. So usually I get these at Target because they have good deals, but this one's even better. So the Finish Ultimate, these are the new ones that are out. It has like a gold label on it. They're usually $9.29, but they're buy one, get one free. So each pack is $4.65. On the Publix app, there are $3 coupons. Now, I have 2 $3 coupons, so I could pick up more than 1 pack if I wanted to. But with that $3 coupon, it's going to make each pack $1.65, which is a really good deal on a big pack of dishwashing detergent. I'm always stocking up on Hunt's tomato products and Rotel because these are just great items to have in your pantry. Whenever you're like, okay, what do I cook for dinner? These are the ingredients I have. And these are usually $1.81, but they're just 90 cents after the BOGO. Same thing with the Rotel when you need to make some kind of quick thing in the crock pot, or you want to make a dip or something, good to have this Rotel on hand as well. So just 90 cents after the BOGO. So you know me, I'm always being very practical on my channel, and I need some onion powder. So Publix brand onion powder is usually $3.39, but they're buy one get one free. So it'll be $1.70. So good time to go ahead and check your pantry. What seasonings are you low on, and picking up what you need. Great deal on the Asper cream right now going on, and I actually used some of this on my daughter this week on her knee, so I might need to pick up some more. But what you're going to do for this deal is you're going to pick up two of the Asper creams. The cheapest one that works is $6.99. Your total is going to be $13.98. There is a $2 coupon on the Publix app that's going to come off at the register. In addition to that, there is also a buy one, get one free coupon in the extra savings flyer found at the front of the Publix store. Now, that means we're going to be getting $6.99 off with this coupon. So, with the $2 coupon and the $6.99 coupon, that's going to leave you to pay $4.99 or about $2.50 each. Next up is the Chomps beef sticks. These are $5.49. There's already a savings, so it's already on sale. You're going to save $3. So $5.49 for these. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app. So that's going to leave you to pay $4.49. In addition to that, there is a $2 IBOTTA rebate. So with that savings, that $1 coupon and that $2 Ibotta rebate, the price of these are going to be $2.49. So that's a good deal coming from $8.49 from the original price. So $8.49 all the way down to $2.49. Now, next deal, I did not pick this up because if anybody knows me, knows I am not a Hellman's girl. We eat Duke's mayonnaise in this house. But if you do eat Hellman's, this is what you're going to do. You're going to pick up one of these Hellman's mayonnaise. This is the 11 ounce and it's $5.07. Then you're going to pick up one of the Starkist tunas, and this is $1.25. So you're getting two items, 507 and $1.25. So then you are going to use this $2 coupon on the Publix app for the Hellman's mayonnaise. And then in the extra savings flyer, there is a $2.50 coupon when you buy a Hellman's mayonnaise and a tuna pack, a can of tuna, excuse me. So you're saving $4.50 when you buy both of those items. So you're still paying $1.25 for the tuna, plus the mayonnaise would be about 57 cents. So for those two items, you're paying $1.82 for those two items together using that Publix digital coupon and that extra savings flyer coupon. I did want to mention these because these are Bertolli products, and they're usually a little bit higher than I want to pay for them because the Publix brand is cheaper. But these are good deals on these. So the Bertolli balsamic vinegar is usually $4.99. It's buy one get one free, so it'll be $2.50 on that. And the Bertolli sliced olives is usually $2.69, but it'll be $1.35. Both good products and things we use in our house, so I'm definitely going to pick these up. The next item I have for you is not a sale, really. It is a sale. It's a buy one get one free sale, but it's the pine berries. I don't know anything about these. I'm intrigued. I want to know more about them. Have you guys tried these pine berries? So they're buy one get one free. So there'll be $3. Let me know in the comments if you've tried these. So this $2 coupon for the Olay facial cleanser is attaching to these travel wipes. So the travel wipes, look at the travel section for the Olay makeup travel wipes. There are $1.79 and the $2 coupon is attaching. So this is going to make this a money maker of 21 cents on these travel wipes. So definitely going to pick these up. I love it whenever there's a glitch in coupons attached to travel items because I still buy travel items all the time. And I hate that, whenever I first started couponing, I would always get travel items when coupons attached, but not anymore these days. So, all right, praisers and savers, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, please type in the comments end. I really appreciate it, and I love to know whenever my followers are watching my videos all the way to the end. It just makes me very happy that to know that you guys are staying in for the long haul of every single one of these videos. All right, guys, I will see you next time when I head to Target. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed week.